Hello and welcome to the International School of Traders Wednesday Market Watch and Trading Signals. Guys, let's go quickly and look at the market as things happen right now. I'm gonna go quickly and open my economic calendar and see and look at the things that are already happening in the market or things that are expected. So we've had a couple of news already, especially from the pound, right? Those who are in the groups, International School of Traders group, will remember that we sent a buy signal, but that signal was affected by these negative news that you are seeing here: the composite PMI, the service PMI, and so forth. So that is what has moved the pound, and I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit of what's happening right now in the markets. Okay, so the big news that we are looking at is the IV PMI in Canada and the trade balance in Canada also in the next 45 minutes. And then also we do have some crude oil news at 16:30, which is 4:30 today. And then there is also a couple of news that we are looking at. The FOMC meeting minutes. They are going to be talking to. They are going to be releasing those minutes tonight at 8 o'clock. Please watch out on the dollar, guys. Let us watch out on the dollar. Anything related to dollar is what we are going to be looking at. Okay, quickly, let us go and look at the market. We just sent a trade setup on the group on XAUSD. XAUSD is the trade that we've been looking at. What is happening here? I'm trying to share my screen here, and this thing is not sharing at the moment. I don't know why. Cool. So let's go quickly. Let us look at the XAUSD that we sent out. So XAUSD has been in a bullish formation without a doubt, but that bullish formation was broken earlier on, and we took a sell earlier on. So what I would like to do is I've sent a close signal, a close trade advice on this particular setup. If you are watching this immediately, or if the market is still on this structure within range here, what I am looking at here is to take a sell, another sell on this market, XAUSD, and then my stop loss should be at these levels right here, which is 1738.91, and then my take profit will be down there at 172747 in this particular case. That is what I'm looking at in this particular market here. And then let's go quickly, let's look at some other items. GBPSD, we sent out a buy signal early in the morning. The market was hunting our stop loss earlier without a doubt, but we saw a bounce in the market, bouncing on these. We saw a bounce on the market. The market was bouncing on this beautiful structure. So market is now pushing up, which is very, very cool, very, very good. I'm expecting markets to start going all the way up in this particular case right here. So let's hold this one. I'll be sending some updates in the group. And then another one that we would like to look at is USDZ. USDZ kicked us out of the market, kicked us out with a stop loss yesterday. So that's a little bit of an update, but let's not look at it closely. And then I'm going to go straight into NASDAQ. NASDAQ has been in a beautiful formation, guys, lately. So let me just zoom in and go to a 15-minute time frame here. We're seeing and we're looking at this beautiful range in this market here on NASDAQ, right? So for those of you who are International School of Traders students, please do use your cheat codes exactly at that time to confirm this beautiful setup right here. So we're currently having a beautiful bullish market, even though the market is ranging here. But I still do believe that this market can break towards the downside and bounce on these support levels, and then we go all the way up in this particular case right here. So I'm looking at this market structure in this perspective. So we are going to be confirming how are we trading this when markets open on the Nasdaq. Okay, cool stuff. I don't have much also today. What I would like you to look at is okay, beautiful. I should have bought Nasdaq. Yes, yes. What I would like you to look at is NZD-CAD, right? NZD-CAD has been in a beautiful bullish market. Now market is falling, right? It's trying to create some lower lows and lower highs. So what you can look at is on a 1 hour time frame and look at this particular structure right here. But I would really love to sell NZD-CAD whenever it's reached the previous highs in this particular case. This is a resistance which is at 0.88982. That is what I am looking at in this particular case right here. So I will be looking to sell in this structure on this market all the way down. So please monitor this one and do also, I don't know what's happening on NZD-CHF. Nothing much. This one has already moved. NZD-CAD, USD what? Yes, index, no, nothing much. Okay, those are the couple of things that we are looking at the moment. Please do watch out on Nasdaq, USD CAD. Also, there's something that has been happening there on USD CAD. Look at how the market is playing around these levels, right? So we didn't take this trade yesterday, but if you look at it on a 4 hour time frame, right? Let me quickly delete these guys here. They are no longer valid. This level right here is where market is failing to break and stay above. We can only buy when market starts going up, but now the only option that we are looking at is to sell in this market, right? Is to sell in this market. So please do watch out on this one. We wanna take a sell all the way down when markets start conforming here in this particular case right here. So let me just quickly use my Fibonacci tool here. I think this one is valid. It is valid. And then there's other things like Euro JPY, which didn't really work out the way we wanted, but it is now at the previous high, which may be also called the supply zone. So if you look at this level right here, it's a beautiful level, and market has been honoring this level. If we can have a structure that is confirming a sell, we are going to look at that because we want to look for a reversal in this particular case, and this reversal is going to be a beautiful one if markets start confirming here on this guy right here. So we are looking to take a sell all the way down right here. Okay, good stuff. Yeah, man. Let's look at AUD/USD. Nothing much. USDs are nothing much. Euro USD, nothing much also on Euro USD. So there, let's look at gold. There's a setup that there's a trade that I just took. Oh, it was in profit just now, and it went back. GBP/USD is not yet in profit, but it is trying and thriving, trying to break out of this formation and really close above. If markets start closing above these levels right here, I'll be so happy. I'll be so happy, and I'm sure at that time we are going to be sure that the market is moving in our favor. But at the moment, we are just sitting and waiting to see what the market has for us. If this is a proper retest, we are going to be happy and move with this particular structure right here. So that's all from me at this moment. Go quickly, look at your chart, confirm what you're seeing. Let's trade the market. See you on the other side of the withdrawals. Love you. Shalom.